Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about risk to reward ratio, and in this video you will know why exactly you need to use 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 ratio or higher. I will leave the link in the description down below for this spreadsheet, and here you can see risk and reward and chances 50 to 50. And we wouldn't talk about it if you're a good investor and you can be a little bit better than 50 to 50. It is just for simple math. In this column we have just random between 0 to 1. 0 it is fail, 1 it is like a profitable trade. And on a column B we just check the first column, and if it is a profitable trade we're adding 1. If it is not profitable, we are making -1. Adding 2 and -1 on 1 to 2 ratio, and adding 3 and -1 on 1 to 3 ratio. And you can just make your own calculation just pressing delete button on Google, and you can see that we're updating our numbers. It is 100 samples, and we can see that if we are using 1 to 1 ratio, we can end it with 0, like here, and the same situation, but you're using risk reward 1 to 2, and you will leave this simulation with 48 something and 96. I will just generate something like -20. Yeah, like this one. And we can see that you easily can lose like 20 of your trades, but if you will use a 1 to 2 ratio or higher, you will stay with profit. And it is like main rule of investors and traders, and I know some day traders who don't even thinking about entering the position if they couldn't reach 1 to 2 ratio, and they are extremely profitable traders. And I will show you some example with DHT stock. You can check it on my channel, that this stock is really awesome. And now we have price $6, and you're thinking that it is maybe very nice time to buy the stock, because we have really high volatility, and we have upside, some upside, and you're thinking, okay, I want to buy here, and here you can see that risk reward ratio 2, and you can buy it here for $6 and sell for $9, and your stop loss must be somewhere here, 4.5, plus they can pay you dividend while you're waiting for this action. If you are new on the stock market, I really suggest you to use 1 to 2 ratio or higher, because even if you're making lots of mistakes and your chances are not 50 to 50, with this ratio you can be still profitable, even if you have like 40 to 60% losses. And I hope this video was helpful. Please push like button, subscribe button, and what do you think about reward to risk ratio? Do you really use it, or you just making like normal 1 to 1 strategy? Do you really use it on investment strategies, or it is a piece of crap and you don't need it? And I would like to promote you my Patreon. We have millionaire, billionaire, and Warren Buffett levels. For $5 per month you can track my positions. For $10 I will also show you my short list, and if you're a Warren Buffett, I will review your portfolio and maybe give you some advices. Bye bye.